Many people want to start a newsletter and make money online, but they quickly run into a problem. Most email platforms are complicated, expensive, and not built for creators. So the question is there a simple platform that lets you build, grow, and monetize a newsletter? In this video, I'll explain what Beehiiv is, how it works, and why so many creators are switching to it. First, let's start with the basics. Beehiiv is a newsletter platform designed for creators who want to grow an email audience and monetize it. Think of it like a mix between an email marketing platform, a blogging platform, and a monetization tool, all in one place. Instead of using multiple tools for your newsletter, website, and analytics, Beehiiv combines everything into a single platform. This makes it very popular among content creators, online entrepreneurs, writers, and people building personal brands. For example, when you create a newsletter on Beehiiv, you can write and send emails to your subscribers, publish those emails as blog posts that can rank on Google, track how many people open your emails and click your links, and even monetize your audience through ads or paid subscriptions. One of the biggest reasons Beehiiv became popular is because it was actually built by former Morning Brew employees, one of the fastest growing newsletters in the world. So the platform is designed specifically for newsletter growth. If you want to try Beehiiv for yourself, the first step is simply creating an account. It only takes a few minutes to set up your newsletter. I've put the Beehiiv sign-up link in the pinned comment so you can go there and create your account directly. Once you're inside the platform, you can start building your newsletter right away. Now let's talk about how Beehiiv actually works. The platform is built around three main things: writing, growing, and monetizing a newsletter. First is writing your newsletter. Beehiiv has a very clean editor that works a lot like writing a blog post. You can write your content, add images, add links, and format your emails easily. Once you publish it, Beehiiv sends the email to your subscribers and also posts it on your newsletter website. This means one piece of content becomes both an email and a blog post. The second feature is growth tools. Beehiiv includes tools specifically designed to help you grow your subscriber list faster. For example, it has referral programs, built-in recommendation systems, landing pages for email, sign-up, and detailed analytics. These tools make it easier to attract new subscribers without needing complicated marketing setups. The third major feature is monetization. Beehiiv allows creators to make money from their newsletters in different ways. For example, you can offer paid subscriptions where readers pay monthly for premium content. You can also earn through the Beehiiv ad network, which connects newsletters with advertisers. So even smaller newsletters can start generating revenue. If you want to start your own newsletter, check the pinned comment to create your Beehiiv account.